Hello, what's going on in the stock market? Guess what? We're down 2%. We're down 2%, but we're up 6% since the beginning of the year. So we're starting to retrace. Why are we retracing? What is going on? Well, it's actually fairly simple. Essentially, Powell wants to be the Fed chairman called Paul Volcker. Paul Volcker fought the inflation in the 80s and he beat it, but he put us in a recession. But then after that, we had a period of growth. And that is exactly what the Fed is doing. Well, it's simple enough. Well, it's not that simple. The problem that we're having is that we have about 31 trillion on national debt versus a GDP of 23 billion. So we're borrowing more than we're making, and that's a problem. We didn't have that problem in the 80s, the 70s and the 80s when we had the last inflation followed by a recession. So things are a bit different now. We have more contentious political climate. Things are more uncertain. The market is still trying to look direction from the Fed. I think what you need to do is you need to forget about this because it's a little more complex. What you need to focus on is fairly simple. Just look through the cycle, through the period, and make sure that you invest in the stocks that you understand and that is performing well and that is fairly valued. I'm going to make a video on cap rate so you get to see, am I paying too much for a stock? Am I not paying high enough? Okay, so that's what you need to do. Relax. Don't look at the stock market every day unless you're retiring tomorrow. And that's saying in that case, you need to get out and you need to